So we're here at Cademuir Engineering. This was a fantastic project to get in because there's a brand new factory being built here in the Scottish borders, which is a great evidence that we don't have to make everything offshore and that we can really build things here in the UK. So it's fantastic to see new investment in manufacturing. Like many factories, Cademuir were faced with really high energy costs coming with the increasing prices, and they recognise that this is a significant risk financially to the business. So it made sense to invest in solar PV generation, where a significant proportion of their energy costs are coming from the roof rather than coming from the grid, where they're not subject to the variation of prices. We were able to fit the panels around the roof lights, which still allows some natural light into the factory, and even avoiding the roof lights, we ended up with a 235 kilowatt peak system, which is two 100 kilowatt inverters inside the building. We've used the SolarEdge system, as we like to do, which means we've got the capability to monitor all the panels individually and make sure that they're all performing at their maximum. We've also got the monitoring of the consumption so that we can graph very accurately how the consumption and the generation are matching with each other. So we know here that the consumption is very high, and that means that we didn't see any need for battery storage in this case, because there was still going to be a significant proportion of the energy being bought from the grid. So this was a really smooth job for us. The team at Cademuir and the construction teams that were still building the factory were really, really good to deal with. We were able to deliver it actually a month ahead of schedule in this instance. The main challenge we had, again, was a winter build, so it was weather. We had a few days where we were turning up and it was covered in snow. We did have all the panels on the roof, but not fixed down, and we had a storm coming, so it was quite a big effort from our team to get everything screwed down before the storm came in and had any risk of them blowing away. But we managed to achieve that and delivered quite a smooth job, so it was quite plain sailing. So again, there's another really great commercial project that we've really enjoyed being involved in. So if you've got a big energy bill and a big roof space and you think that we can make those two things work together to save you some money and reduce your carbon footprint, then please do get in touch and we'll see what we can do.